After this video, you will never ever eat pork again. Yo, draw on a stool, put on a seatbelt, and sit tight. Now, as me do in our previous video about every disease is caused by parasite. Parasite affecting the pancreas, diabetes, parasite eating the red blood cell, sickle cell. Well, the white blood cell, sickle cell, the red blood cell, anemia, and it goes on. The white and red blood cell eating together, then call that VIH. Flip it around. So, let me tell you this. What the medical industry do, they use pork as the main fuel to put out their worm egg. Their egg here, they're so powerful, they are thermophilic, meaning if you boil in a one pot at 100 degrees Celsius, it can't dead. The worm them still go hatch through their egg when they go in your stomach. I have saved someone who actually had a nest for parasites that is laying egg in their stomach caused by pork eating. Now, when I was teaching at Nakalva Agriculture School, I was the piggery demonstrator. I have access to meat. Me get one commercial bucket that has never been touched before, cut a slice of the meat from the abattoir where no fly has come in contact with, and over 3 weeks there is no meat in the bucket, only worm, because pork meat consists of pure worm eggs. That is what make the meat. The medical industry create this animal. Swine exists not before the Bible, not before BC, but after. This is why the same person who create swine tell you about it in the Bible. Why you think they name it that meat is unclean? If the Bible have everything wrong in it, this is the only right. Meat from pork should not be consumed. No, Jamaicans love it, and they love it at night. No, these eggs create a metamorphosis. What is that? Egg, worm, pupa, which is the mummified stage, and the adult stage is fly. Why you think that in summers the fly come out? Me tell you no, we are a part of the cycle for these worms and egg. Without we being a part of the cycle, man would have any disease and the medical industry would go down. They would have to wait on us. They would have to nyam them pills in our pharmacy. But too much somebody go listen to this. Yeah man, I see a madman, I tell you no. So remember, to fuel all man-made disease with parasites, they need these eggs to hatch. And we are part of the host where what we carry around in our body, pass it through feces, pass it through breathing, through sneezing. Pork meat should not be eaten. Put piece one side now, man, and cover it in a clean bucket now and run the experiment for yourself. One love, knowledgeable, true virtue. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy. Holistic 8.